Pansuba Lok Sabha election da Manipur ge inner da Congress ki mirep oiriba Angomcha Bimol Akoijam gi Moirang phairembam lekai mandopta miyam gi interaction program pangthokna naba thorang tawringe da Sakhangdaba singna blank fire tawduna miyam da aki ekhang olakiba bu yaning da phongdoktuna sub electoral officer Manipur na yangsin binana bangasi MPCC gi maikai digi taksin khre AICC gi incharge Grace Sodankar amasung MPCC gi president ke Megachandra Loinana Lamphelda Leba Chief Electoral Officer Manipur office da chatuna thodok adugi matangda CEO ga unaduna wari sanakiba ga loinana thodok adugi matangda CEO na kupna yengsilagani haibigi thajaba piraki CEO ga unarba matung paumi singda wa ngangladuna AICC gi incharge Grace Sodankar na hai ngarangi thodok adu voters singbu atamnana kihan khanghanbani mikhalda voters singna mana pamjaba mirepta adumak bot Taza Zasanu, Kihan Kanbana, Voters Sing Buhumduna Puba Yaroi, Voters Singi, Right Mat Payaba Tabak Sing Tobiganu, a Sing Bachumba, Mikal Uhenabas E. Ogi Makedi Hen Batabak, Packet Piu Haki.
The incident that happened yesterday at around 3:30 at Moirang, when we were addressing another interaction program at Kokta. So that time suddenly the firing happened by unknown persons. This is just to create a fear in the mind of voters. We know that the people have already decided to give a clear mandate to both the India Alliance candidate in the inner Manipur and outer Manipur. And there are certain elements which want these voters to keep away. We want to help the Election Commission of India to have free and fair elections. The CEO has assured us. We are also going to raise this issue at Delhi level also, because if there is no free and fair election, there is a fear in the mind of the voters. They will not come out and do the voting, and so the fairness of election will not be there.
Sub Electoral Officer ga unabadu da Saruya Kiba Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Megachandra Phongdo Kibada Congress ki mirep ka miyam ga sakhang makhang nabagi thorom adu thugaina naba nongmei kaptuna voters sing da ki ekhang pohan bana singba thong chatharak pasi nungaite makhatana sigumba thodok sing thorok patarabadi niyom chumna amadi sengna mikhal pangthokpa ngamlak loi haiki
Si Sakhang Maikhang Nabagi direction program ama XMLA Sarat ki mayumda akoi meeting se tawdo mi sani chahum khatang pulak ko kanda imai ben singchida ki hanba adagi nongmei blank fire tawraga meeting du thubai ba hadu tare adugi akoi yam chawo public meeting thru tawde akoi sumna yum da changaga direction Sakhang Maikhang Nabagi program ni aduda akanba nongmei ka ko khotpagi thabak tawbase Ihen bese masi nungai taba aduna law and order se fajana maintain tawbidrabati vote hadaba kigeni free and fair election se lay ngamboi aduna adugi demokta koi complaint tawbuni